What's going on, y'all? SES and on. Then finally hook up the system in the Suburban, man. I think I'm gonna do it tonight. I think that's gonna be like an hour. Yeah, run down. So this truck got one battery, right? And this looks like a battery tray. Pretty sure it got a whole damn, then the whole damn bolt and bracket go right there. So this is what I said I'm gonna do. I'm going to run me another battery right here. Go from the alternator to the battery with the charge cable. And ground the battery. I don't really want to put it on a fender. And I don't want to put it on the motor, but it's kind of all I got. So I might just put it down there with a power steering at, or on a cylinder head, or on, nah, I ain't putting on that accessory bracket. Yeah, so I'm just running on a cylinder head for now. Even though I want to drill in the frame and put it on there, I ain't gonna do it. So, charge cable, boom, ground, boom, and we have another battery right here. And then we run the system from the battery, we'll fuse it. What's going on, y'all? SES, man. It's the next day. I just recorded the video with the wheels on my silver car. Rain still going. I'm gonna try to install my system real quick. I'm gonna try to do it in like an hour. No slop job though. I'm finna roll this Suburban in here. Man, I love it. I got this home shop. Boy, I ain't gonna cap. Man, it's like I just take a little 2 days for myself, man. All right, man. Got the big beast in here. Big beast in here. I made my primary wire. I told y'all to pack SN35. This fuse block terminals. Number 4, power and ground welding cable. A little copper for the amp rack. For my seats. Fuse. 2 amps. I don't know which one I'm gonna use. Crimp set. When I got it from the shop last night. Man, I'm telling y'all, man, I used to be quick, man. I'm talking about 1 hour quick. I don't know if I still got it, but we about to find out. So for the amps, I went and dug in my my old pile of amps, and I got a Rockford Fosgate 500. The subs is 400, 600 RMS. I gotta go look. And let me see. But either amp will sound good. I know I ain't got the power to juice as far as amperage to do nothing crazy. All right, y'all. I had to pull the truck out a little bit. It was a little too cramped for me. I can't wait till I have way more space than I get, but it's a process. So this is my ground wire. I just ground on the same ground that the factory grounds at. Tech flex and heat shrink on it. And then, like I said, doing a positive. It's gonna run it up. Fuse be here. Then straight back. So I should be done on the hood in a second. I am not as fast as I used to be. Or I got a lot more techniques than I used to have, so there's just no way I could do it as fast as I wanted to. I tried though, putting tech flex in, heat shrinking, all that. Yeah, nah. But gonna keep going. I'm trying to have all my power ground and remote done, but I gotta leave. Let's go to my daughter's parade in about 12 minutes. So just doing what I can. I thought I was gonna be done in an hour. I ran 1 wire. I also took it off and put it back on a couple times. I ain't like the way it fit. Cut, heat shrink, and all that. So I be liking my stuff a particular way. Just me though. So all right, let me get to running the rest of it. All right, man. We inside. We inside the truck finally, man. So show y'all what I did under the hood. Hold on, let me pull this wire through first. Ooh, can't wait to get this mud up out of here. All right, so got my semi big 3, big 4, power and ground, second battery, ground. Then I might put another ground and firewall. I don't know though. Then I got my power from the alternator and this link with that other battery because the alternator connects to the battery. Then got the power running straight to the back. Yep. So I'm gonna disconnect that wire on the brake so I can stick this under there. All right, all that's red. I'll take this hanger off. All right, I'm gonna connect my red remote wire in the fuse box to accessory input, and I'm running both. Then I'm finna do my line out. I popped all these panels off. Oh, my light died. Put on charge. Popped all these panels off. Pretty easy. And back here, this is the one I'm worried about. Look, luxury. Nah, I'm just playing. I always say that for the people who don't watch my channel or might be new. I always say that about this truck. But let's see, this kind of loose. I should be able to stick the wire behind this. Get behind that seat belt. Yeah, I mean, get behind that and stick the wire under there. Lift the third row up. Man, it's hooked up, man. It hit, but the factory radio definitely causing a lot of interference. So I'm gonna have to definitely change the radio first before I do anything. It's dimming. The radio ain't even up. Y'all see it dimming? Alright, about to close y'all out. Everything about together. We're in RCA, how they supposed to be ran. Ooh, it's time for a detail, boy. 3 road trips and then clean it for real once I got it. But yeah, everything in there. I'm gonna show y'all something too. Show y'all something. I got about 6 inches or so right there, and about another 6 inches or so. You know what? I'm finna lift this tailgate. I'm about to lift the tailgate and see something as far as the max depth I can go. I probably don't do nothing. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, but I just expected a little more out of what I got. I should have put more money towards base instead of looks. But let's see something. That's a US Maryland MD3D. Let me look at the specs. I forgot. I had that amp about 7-8 years, and I ain't turned it on to now. Hold on, let me look at the specs real quick. Yeah, so it's only 2,000 real RMS watts at 1 ohm, and then 1,200 at 2 ohms. So it'd be too small if I went with some other speakers. These supposed to be 1,000 watts each, but the box made a spec. Let's see something here. So if I went about 2 inches higher, and then I got about 30. Yeah, I got about 30. 2 inches higher and 30 with 412. So I'm finna go put them numbers in. I won't have no space back here. I got my straps and measuring wheel. I got all that back there. But dang, boy. About 3 inches higher than 30. Let's see if I can do 412s. I just made it. I'm mad as hell. I spent all that money. I'ma just rock with it. And look what I did, man. I say I'm new to this. Everybody be thinking I be knowing everything. I cracked my damn glass. Cracked it. Screwing it in. I pre-drilled it and everything, but it's still cracked. It's the only one that did that. I don't mind showing y'all them flaws either. It's my stuff. But if it was somebody else, I'd have took this all apart and made a piece over. But it's mine, so it's cool. Blew all the wood chips out. But I mean, it's doing what it do. Sound good. But next time I make a box for this truck, if I do get some more subs, I ain't gonna make no beauty panels till I actually hear it. If I'm satisfied, then I'll make some beauty panels. I just put this in, I'm instantly not satisfied. So the paneling didn't cost more than the boxing design. The boxing design was like 290 or so. Then the other 100, the other 200 is this. A lot of people saying think I be making it up. Nah, that's literally what it cost me. So yeah, I'm gonna see. So I go 30 deep. I'm gonna put this in my notes. I go 30 deep, and then 2 to 3 inches more than what I got.
The next day.
What's going on, y'all? Back, ready to close out the video with the Suburban. Oh, it's raining, man. Hey, it's raining. But I'm just talking really. When the radio get past like 75%, it's interfering. I never been the type of person to use factory radios in my personal car. Like, I think this probably is my first time doing it with a factory radio. I actually used the pack SNI 35 adapter on the blue Chevy because the radio, it's the Pioneer radio. Anybody who know Pioneer radios, at any given point, or somebody touched some wires wrong or something, it's some kind of capacitor or something in there that causes the RCAs to hum, and sometimes it causes it to not work. So I use that pack SNI 35 on that car. That's the only time I ever used it. But as far as factory radio, that was it. So I kind of came up with it in my mind like, man, you know what? I'm just going ahead and change the radio, because we've been on 4 road trips and we never used this dang DVD system, never. So it kind of, I'm like, you know what? I just keep the factory radio, but we ain't never used that, so it ain't really, kind of ain't no point. Yeah, y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm actually finna give y'all a little bass video. I think I got my other phone. Yeah, I got my other phone. We'll give y'all a bass video at the end, man. It ain't gonna be too many words because I don't want to get no copyright. But the thing hitting. That ain't easy. I gotta say something slight, man. So my baby eating, and I'm about to edit real quick. Then we gonna go ship. Then I'm finna, like I said, I'm finna edit. She eating, so I'm finna edit, ship, then we go to Big Shop, do some work. But y'all stay tuned. Like I said, it ain't too much. If we don't break in like I need to, we're gonna go 2 more. So y'all stay tuned. That's it, man. I'm out.